the inverse Fisher transform RSI indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the OW chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, an oscillator window is displayed at the bottom of the chart. The inverse Fisher transform of RSI indicator is a practical tool that is applied to RSI values as I and displays three zones, cabes, for us. When the values enter the positive half-point range, they are displayed in blue, and when they enter the negative half-point range, they are displayed in red. This indicates the oversold and overbought zones. Traders can enter a buy trade when the values exit the negative half-point range upwards, and enter a sell trade when they move downwards from the positive half-point range. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can change the RSI value, which is set to 5 by default, and the Fisher inverse performs its calculations based on these values. In the next section, we can determine the type of RSI calculation, which is set to the closing price by default. We can set it to the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and other options in this section. In the next section, we can set the moving average period, which is set to 9 by default here. The moving average applied here acts as a smoothing factor, preventing oscillator fluctuations and displaying smoother lines for us. In the next section, we can determine the moving average method, which includes 4 options: simple, exponential, smoothed, and linear weighted. In the following sections, there are the overbought and oversold ranges, where we can set the overbought and oversold levels. We can input values between 0 to 1 and 0 to -1 in this section. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.